Lessons that we learn only when we have stayed years, maybe in in a relationship. Lessons that we learn. Number one lesson you will learn as a single mother when you are in a relationship is this. That is a very big mistake to be pregnant for a man who did not pay your bride price. This is number one big lesson you have to learn. A lot of women will say, no, let me have taken, after all, my age, this and that. If this man is at least 40, if I take in for this man, he will marry me. Very Dark Man told us that a lot of men, they are not ready to be responsible. They are not ready to take care of a child. Then they will give you money to take pill after they might have slept with you. Hey, women, young ladies, come, sit down. I want you to share this post. Share this post. Tag Very Dark Man. Very Dark Man said that a man that's sleeping with you, having intercourse with you, then we buy pills and give you. That if you take in for that man, that is supposed to have a law whereby at least you will be put to questioning or they will jail the person. That's what Very Dark Man said. He said because it's not good. But Very Dark Man did not know. There is a lesson you have to learn. There is some things you don't need to talk until you pass that situation. And this is why I brought this. Lessons that you learn either when you are in a relationship or when you are in marriage. Number one lesson is this, that you may buy pill for a woman and give that woman pill and sleep with that woman. The pill will not work and that person will carry belly for you. This is the lesson that Very Dark Man have not learned. Who is there looking at me right now? Share this post. Tag Very Dark Man for me. I come across a video he made. And he was saying that if a woman carry belly for a man without the man's consent, that woman should be put to questioning. Very Dark Man is not a woman, and he should not, or he don't know things pertaining women. Very Dark Man, you have not heard. There are children that you give a woman have taken in and going to take it away. Yet the child refused to go. The child, the balance is say, I want to come to this world. Women, that is why. Learn how to close your leg. Learn how to be on your own. If you can stay within that relationship without intercourse, that is the best thing. Learn how to love less. A lot of women will love a man. In fact, that man you love, they not love you. There are women that want to, yes, you love a man, you want to born for that man, but yet the man is not interested. As a man, why will you carry your prick, like you carry your prick, they walk up and down, without you knowing that when a child come out, you have to be responsible and take good care of the child. There are children that when they come